You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular actress and producer Funke Akindele aka Jennifer got married to Abdulrasheed Bello, better known as JJC Skills, in London shortly before her birthday on August 24. She was previously married to Kehinde Almaroof Oloyede, with whom she tied the knot in May 2012. By July 2013, that marriage was over, with both parties declaring they had decided to go separate ways. In 2005, Foluke Daramola married Tunde Shobowale, but by 2008 the marriage was over. The mother of two had married Babatunde Bernard, the son of former Lagos State Commissioner for Education, Professor Shobowale, and had two children together. Painfully, the marriage lasted only 3 years, from 2005 to 2008, due to domestic violence, but the union gave birth to two beautiful children. Since then, Daramola has remarried and recently celebrated her second wedding anniversary with her new partner, Kayode Salako. Her second marriage provoked much controversy after she had confessed that she had snatched Salako from his ex-wife. As it is now, Shobowale and Daramola are both happy and in love with each other. Bukky Wright's first spouse was Amugboyega. The marriage produced two children for them, but the marriage split for some reasons, and the actress began a relationship with a House of Representatives member, Rotimi Makinde. Bukky Wright has reportedly started dating with popular journalist Femi Davis after a few years. Within a year, the relationship ended and she moved on. A music promoter, Bolaji Saheed, reportedly became the actress' fourth husband. The marriage ended too. She met her fifth husband, Adewale Onitiri, based in the US. After that, this marriage has crashed recently. The third time was the charm for this super talented actress. Between 2010 and 2011, Toyin Abraham was married to a UK-based businessman, Adeniyi Sholanke. She got married to film star Adeniyi Johnson 3 years later. They were married between 2014 and 2016, when their marriage finally hit the rocks after a nasty breakup. Toyin and her colleague, Kolawole Ajeyemi, tied the knot again in 2019. They both have a son together. The first marriage of the actor to London socialite, Yetunde Oduwole, ended under 2 years in 2013. In 2015, Baba T proposed to a civil engineer, Dupe Odulate, and their marriage, which lasted for 3 years, crashed early February 2019. He recently got married to a fashionista who is into clothing and line, Feromi Miriam. He announced his newborn baby with her on June 22, 2020.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.